I don't even know how this works. Why does that work? We've got liquid going uphill. That's crazy. Look at that. Okay. TinkerCAD and uploading your assignments. You may have got to this page, right down the bottom there it says join your class, and it's going to ask you for the class code for TinkerCAD. Slightly different. Also, you might want your camera. You might want your camera on hand just to take photos of your work if you're not confident with uploading images to Google Classroom. You might do better when you've got a camera, and you can post that to me. So your class code, that is going to be found in your classroom. So the classroom that I'm looking at today is it's the same for 5th and 6th grade. It is for 3rd and 4th grade. Here's my classes. There's the stream. Going to go to classwork, and it's in one of the assignments. So create the TinkerCAD account is right there, and the class code, is down there. You could follow the link if you fancied, but in case you didn't get that far. So click, drag, highlight it so that it's blue, and then Control C to copy is a shortcut. You can right click, and I'm going to then Control V is the keyboard shortcut. Go to my class. There it is, Engineering Design Lab 2020. I'm going to type in the nickname, and I'm just going to show you today where the lessons are. So some of you have already got into TinkerCAD in a different way. This is just where the independent lessons are. Okay, hope you're ready for this. Meantime, here's a bit of information. I don't even know why they call this breadboard. Doesn't look like a breadboard to me, but really good for the electronics. Here is where the lessons are going to be. So you can go to circuits and lessons, but I'd like to show you this piece here on this menu on the top right, Learn. And what that allows you to do is to look at different types of starters to get you started with the 3D design or the electronics. And here's where you're going to find on the left where it says 3D, you'll see there's a little arrow to drop down so you can move from doing the 3D designs. So in the circuits, you've already started doing some of these lessons, but there they are laid out for you much clearer. And these are the starters that we've been doing so far. Here's projects. It gets a little bit more complex when we get to do coding, and in here are the different lessons, and we will get to those. Again, so this is the tip. You want lessons in 3D, learn how to. Learn how to. I'll go over some of these. When you are ready, and I'd really like you to upload your work, is when you go to the classwork, for example, and you go to, say, your basic TinkerCAD electronics, there's one of my videos which might help you. And when it comes to uploading the work, I might be able to just click on here, not yet. I want to submit this. Viewing the assignment. Here we go. So when I view the assignment, I can add. Here, if I click on the add, look at this. I can add something from my Google Drive, a link, or a file. If I've uploaded a photo, which some of you have already done very successfully using your camera, it can be from your computer, or it can be from Google Drive. So here, select files from your device, or here, upload from your drive. Hope that is wonderful for you, and there's the resubmit button there. mark as done. For some of the really simple ones, just mark the work as done.